If you don't want to lose money when buying crypto, then you need to stop buying blindly. The truth is, many people are making thousands of dollars from crypto, but if you don't manage your risk very well, you will lose heavily. There are certain things you need to check before buying a crypto. Whether a friend or a professional trader told you to buy a crypto, or you choose to buy from your own analysis, here are 5 things you need to check to stay safe. These 5 things will not guarantee that you will make a lot of money, but at least they will help keep your funds safe, even in a period of bearish. Before you jump in, make sure you like this video, click the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you get notified whenever we make a new video like this. And make sure you join our Telegram community where we share trading strategies and free confirmed airdrops that can skyrocket your earning from $0 to $100,000 or even more. Without further ado, let's jump in. The first thing you need to check before buying any blockchain project is renounced contact ownership, or you can call it just renounced contacts. Renounced contacts are those where the original creator or owner has given up the control over the contacts. This is crucial in the crypto world. The contact owner often has the ability to drain funds or even make changes. When this contact is renounced, it means this action can no longer take place, ensuring the project is safe for investors and traders. Rug pulls are scams where the project developer exits with users' funds by manipulating the contact address. Renouncing a contact helps to prevent this malicious action, as the developer no longer have the right to drain people's funds, mint more token, or make unauthorized actions. On the other hand, using a safe cryptocurrency exchange can help keep you safe from these rug pulls. That's why I recommend ByBit. ByBit is the best cryptocurrency exchange in the market right now. ByBit has a very high trading volume, which is safe for both investors and traders. If you are trading crypto for the first time, or you are investing in crypto for the first time, then you need to use ByBit. If you don't have a ByBit account, then I have my link in the description of this video. You know the good news: if you create a ByBit account today, you stand a chance to receive more than $6,000 welcome bonus if you make a deposit of $100. And to create a ByBit account and start trading, use the link in the description of this video to receive your bonus. Now, how do you ensure a project is ownership renounced? To do this, we have to use 2 websites: 1, Deskscreener, and 2, TTF Telegram bots. Open Deskscreener and search for any token. Let's go for ChatGPT. Now, copy the contact address, move to TTF bot, paste and send. Wait for some seconds, and now this is it. The ownership is renounced, which is fine. If you check this and the ownership is not renounced, please don't risk your fund, because it is wrong pool and soon it returns to shitcoin. So stay safe by making sure the ownership is renounced. Before you buy any crypto, ensure it is mintable off or disabled. You know, in crypto we have max supply, total supply, and circulating supply. The work of this max supply is to create scarcity, and this scarcity will create value for the asset. When this mintable is on, it means the developer can mint more token and increase the max supply. Hence, the market will be oversaturated and the supply will be at the top. And when it is like this, the asset will lose value heavily. And if you invested in this asset, you will lose your fund without even knowing the reason behind it. Before you buy any crypto, whether a friend or anyone told you to buy any crypto, please ensure it is mintable disabled. But how do you check this? We are going to use the same Deskscreener and TTF bots. Go to Deskscreener and search for any token you want to check. Now let's choose Ping Panda. Click or copy the contact address. Go to TTF bot, paste and send the contact address. Now look at the mint is no, which means it is disabled and it is fine. If this mintable is on, it means the developer have rights to mint any token as he wants. This will reduce the scarcity of this project and bring down the price heavily. Next time, if you want to buy any asset, please make sure it is mintable disabled by using this method I showed you guys. Before we dip further, support this channel by liking the video, clicking the subscribe button, and turning the notification bell on. This will help you get notification anytime we make a video about cryptocurrency, trading, and free airdrops that can skyrocket your earning. The next thing you need to check before buying or investing in any crypto is the liquidity. Liquidity refers to the ease with which a cryptocurrency can be bought and sold without affecting its price. Now, let me give you an example. If you invest $10 million in Bitcoin, it will not affect the price of Bitcoin. It will not push it up, neither will it push it down. Why? Because the liquidity of Bitcoin is high. But if you invest this particular $10 million to a cryptocurrency with low liquidity, it will push the price up. And if you bring out your $10 million, the price will come down. It means you have manipulated this token. If you are investing or trading crypto for the first time, avoid cryptocurrency with low liquidity. Crypto below 100,000 liquidity should be avoided by all means. Assets with low liquidity can do well in the market, but they come with a lot of risk. Anyone can manipulate the market and go away with the profit, and you will be dumped. So next time, if you are investing or trading crypto, please avoid cryptocurrency below 100,000 liquidity. This will ensure that your fund is safe even in the period of bearish. Now, to check the liquidity of a token, go to desk screener and search for any crypto. Let's choose ByBit token. Now look at the left and you'll see the liquidity. Currently, the liquidity is 17,000, which is poor. Using a safe cryptocurrency exchange with high trading volume can help keep your fund safe. That's why I recommend ByBit. Create a ByBit account today and receive more than $6,000 welcome bonus if you make your first deposit. The next thing you need to check before buying any blockchain project is circulating supply versus max supply. For instance, Bitcoin have 24 million max supply, and currently only 19 million coins has been supplied. That's why Bitcoin is scarce, and this scarce created value for Bitcoin. Remember the law: the higher the demand, the higher the price. The higher the supply, the lower the price. If the circulating supply becomes higher than the demand, the price of the asset will fall down heavily. So next time, if you are investing or buying any crypto, ensure you avoid crypto with high circulating supply. The worst is assets with circulating supply the same amount with max supply. This type of tokens end up becoming shitcoins. So to ensure you stay safe, you need to invest in crypto that have low circulating supply. To check this, go to CoinGecko, search for any coin or token. Now let's go for Guacamole. Click it and scroll down. From this interface, you can see the circulating supply is the same with total supply and max supply, which is red flag. Next time, if you invest in crypto or any asset, ensure the circulating supply is not the same with the max supply. This will create scarcity for the project, and also this scarcity will create high value for this project. The last thing, which is the most important thing you need to consider, is the top 10 holders. The top 10 holders should not hold more than 15%. If the top 10 holders are holding more than 15%, they can wake up any day and decide to make a sell. Hence, the price of these assets will fall heavily. Next time, if someone told you to buy a coin or you want to buy any asset from your own analysis, make sure the top 10 holders are holding below 15 max supply. This will keep your fund safe even in the period of bearish. Now, to ensure this, go to desk screener and search for any crypto. Now, let's choose King Kong. Now, click it, copy the contact address and move to TTF bot. Paste and send. From the results, you can see the total holders are holding only 1.52%, which is fine. If the top 10 holders are holding more than 15%, then it is not good for investment. Please stop buying crypto blindly. Make sure you check these 5 things before you jump in and buy. And don't forget to join our Telegram community for more strategies and airdrops that can skyrocket your earning from $0 to $100 without any investment. For now, invest what you can afford to lose. Goodbye. Good luck.